Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Just because it fits in your suitcase doesn't mean it's free. A Carnival Cruise Line passenger has gone viral after being spotted at an airport using a luggage mat from her stateroom as a blanket. Over 1,100 comments were sparked with mixed reaction, including defending her honor to saying ban her for life. Carnival's brand ambassador John Heald even joined in on the jokes, but noted that the passenger was eventually charged for taking the mat. These mats are found in all of Carnival's staterooms and designed to protect bedding from dirt and wear. What's the number one item stolen from a Carnival stateroom? Let me know in the comments below. And guests sailing on Carnival Vista this weekend received a letter on Thursday saying that the ship will be late departing this weekend because of engine repairs. Carnival Vista will still sail the 6-night Eastern Caribbean cruise this Sunday after its propulsion repairs are complete. Carnival Vista was plagued with speed issues earlier this month and ever since it was launched in 2016. And Princess Cruises is enhancing its Premier package by offering several unlimited perks now. Starting later this month, guests who purchase the $90 per day Princess Premier package will enjoy unlimited beverages, it was $15, including alcoholic drinks, up to $20, specialty coffees, and bottled water. The package price is up $10, though, from its previous $80 per person per day. The package also includes unlimited specialty dining now and the Medallion Net Wi-Fi, the fastest internet available for Princess. These new benefits will be available on select cruises starting on the 31st. And the photo of the week comes from Cindy, MSC World Europa in Malta. Love this photo here. Great shot with, was that a gondola there? You can send yours in to doug@cruiseradio.net. All photos are subject to broadcast. And cruise line stocks were up on Thursday. Carnival Corporation up 6.6%, 15.74. Royal Caribbean up 5%, 160.26. Norwegian up 5.6%, 16.30. And Viking up 4.2%, 35.63. Lead on a story, send it our way, tips@cruiseradio.net. Thanks for bearing with me this week. It's been a hell of a week. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great weekend.